¿Listo?
Listo.
Sí. We have made it to Quemada. This is about 40 minutes outside of Zacatecas City. We are the only ones here. La Quemada is an archaeological site dating back to 300 to 1200 AD. The site, La Ciudad Quemada, means the burnt city and gets its name from the apparent destruction and fire that occurred here before the site was mysteriously abandoned. We enter the first structure called the Salón de Columnas. This structure probably reached a height of more than 5 meters before the fire caused its destruction. The interior has 11 columns that were believed to be used for ceremonial purposes related to human sacrifice. So this right here is the ballcourt, juego de pelota, and the ball was actually like a real rock, and they had some protection over their body, but they could not use their hands or feet to play the game. The winner got sacrificed. The loser, one of the most awe-inspiring parts of this site is the Votive Pyramid, a structure more than 10 meters high with angled slopes. It's one of the few pyramids in Mexico we've been able to climb. By the way, guys, if you're liking this view, thumbs up down below and subscribe. So this is the pyramid, and the priest would climb to the top to watch the ball game and vote on the winner. The steps here were built in the 60s, so this part is a reconstruction, so we got to climb that part. Sitting here on an archaeological pyramid overlooking Mexico's vast desert is one of the most surreal things we've done in Mexico. And just when we thought we were alone, we see an eagle, the same eagle featured on the flag of Mexico, soaring up above. So this route right here is original. We're climbing up, getting our cardio in. La Quemada is built on multiple levels that are thought to be used for defense and ceremony. So the site was built on top of a mesa, and it was kind of flat, similar to that when they first built it.
300 rests or bodies by childs and women. La ciudad es atacada.
Yeah.
Can you see the wall? Ustedes ven el muro. Está inclinado hacia allá.
Yeah, right.
Pero tiene unas líneas.
Yeah,
¿Sí?
straight lines.
Sí. Aquí empieza la construcción, del centro hacia afuera. ¿Sí? Pero aquí también termina. ¿Por qué?
Going inside. Going in the habitation. We're inside the rooms right now. It's kind of like a maze in here. And they used to store the food in here too. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Look how high up we are. And they actually burned this entire site before abandoning it. So they asked the local people, what is the name of the site? And they said, burnt. Quemada.
¿Sí? The priest take a knife, has a knife, and they cut this part,
Cut the
take
heart.
off
No.
the heart, and offer to the god. Yeah? Any god. Yeah?
So they have a museum on site, and it tells you the history. Some of the artifacts are here, and it shows you what the site looked like before it was reconstructed. Trying this tortas place. It's been in operation for 100 years.
Ah, ok, eso no me lo sabía.
Exactamente, y tenemos
We are in a little town called Jerez, and we're getting some cafe at Botica de Cafe. They have all kinds of really cool caffeinated drinks here, including an alcoholic one with licor de coco and
guava.
guava. And we found shade. Mike, what do you call this church behind you?
The Barbie Church.
Bright pink. And so there you have it. That's all we have for you today. If you're from Zacatecas or you've been here before, comment below on your recommendations. And be sure to subscribe, like down below for many more travel videos.